Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Beria College's PNT. Teacher Haris Khan, subject Mathematics, class Matrix Federal Board, chapter number 2, Theory of the Quadratic Equation, 2.7, Solutions of the Simultaneous Equation, lecture number V15. Objective in this unit, student will be able to find the unknown variables, solution of the simultaneous equation. This is the whole exercise of our 2.7. There are 13 questions in the exercise. Simultaneous equations. A system of equation having a common solution is called a system of the simultaneous equation. The set of the all order pairs x, y, which is the satisfied the equation of the solution set of the system. So solve system of two equations in two variables when one variable is a linear and the other is a quadratic. To solve the system of the equation in two variable x and y, find the y term or x from the given linear equation. Substitution the value of y in the quadratic equation, we get the quadratic equation in the one variable x. Solve the equation for x and y, then find the value of y. The values of x and y provide the solution of set of the system of the equation. Example number 1, the system of the equation. 3x plus y is equal to 4 and 3x square plus y square is equal to 52. The given equations are 1 and 2 indicated that solve the equations. First equation is the linear and second equation is the quadratic, and then get the values. Solve the equation number 1, y is equal to 4 minus 3x as a procedure. Put the value y in the equation 2. Then get the values after the simplification. 12x square minus 24x minus 36 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to taking common 12. Then get the values x square minus 2x minus 3 in the bracket. 12 is go to the right hand side and divide the 0. 0 divided by 12 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 is the standard quadratic equation solved by the factorization method, middle term break method. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. And x square minus 3x, the first pair, x minus 3 is the second pair. Taking common x square minus 3x, then get the x common, taking common, and remaining values x and minus 3 remaining in after common. They are not common, then get the value 1 is a common from this set 1. Then x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Either x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. X equal to 3 and x minus 1. Putting when x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1 put in the equations, then get the values. Y is equal to minus 5 and when x y is equal to 7, and go to the pairs. The order pair 3 minus 5 and minus 1 comma 7. This is the solution of the simultaneous equation and common solution. Exercise 2.7, solve the following simultaneous equation. There are two equations. First is the linear and second is the quadratic. X plus y is equal to 5 and x square minus 2y minus 14 is equal to 0 is a parabolic equation. From 1 we have solved the equation y is equal to minus 5x. X is a plus in the left hand side, go to the right hand side, go change the sign 5 minus x. Put value of the y in the equation 2, we get x square minus 2, y minus x minus 14 is equal to 0. As a procedure solved by simplification, then get the values. X square plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 0. X square, so this is a standard quadratic equation and solved by factorization method, middle term break method. And 6x minus 4x is equal to 2x, and x square plus 6x pair is the first pair and minus 4x minus 24 is equal to second pair. Then after simplification, x minus 4 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 6 as a procedure, putting the value x is equal to 4 and x minus 5. Then get the value x is, when put the value x is equal to 4 1, and then x is equal to minus the 6 put in the equation number 3, then get the value 11. The order pair 4 comma 1, when put the 4, then get y is a 1 4 comma 1, and x is equal to minus 6 and get the values 11. This is the solutions of the set the simultaneous. This is the second question of the exercise. 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 and x square plus xy minus y square is equal to, first is the linear, second is the quadratic equation, and solve the linear equation as a procedure, then get the value y is equal to 3 by 2x minus 1 by 2, put in the equation number 2, and after simplification and LCM then get the value is x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, and this is the standard quadratic equation, x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And this equations that solved by factorization middle term method, x square plus 5x minus x minus 5 is equal to 0. First pair is x square plus 5x, then get the common x and x plus 5, and minus 1 is a common, then I get the value x plus 5 is equal to 0. X plus 5 is a common, then remaining value x minus 1 is equal to 0. Either x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is 0. X is equal to 1 and x minus 5 is equal to 0. Put in the equation number 3, x is equal to 1 and 3, and remaining value x is equal to the 1 and x, y is equal to 8 minus 8. The pairs x is equal to 1 and 1, and second pair minus 5 and minus 8. This is the solution of the simultaneous. When both equations are quadratic, the method solve the equation is illustrated through the following examples. Solve the equations. They are both quadratic equations. The given equations, x square plus y square 2x is equal to 1, and one equation number 1, x minus y square plus y plus 1 square is equal to 8. It is second equation. From the equation 2 we get the value x square minus 2x plus 1 y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 8, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 1, we have the value 4x minus 2y is equal to, and 2x minus y is equal to 1. These are the two equations solved by y is equal to minus 2x minus 1, and put in the equation number 2. Then get the, after simplification, the two values are get 5x minus 7 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. And then get the value x is equal to, then common, that after middle term break method, then get the value 5x minus 7 is equal to 0, and after simplification x is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 1. We now putting the value x in equation number 4, we get the value x is equal to 7 by 5 and x is equal to minus 1 in the equation number 4, then get the value y is equal to 14 by 5 minus 1 is equal to, after LCM, 9 by 5, and putting the value 2 minus 1 is equal to 2, minus 2 and minus 1 is equal to minus 3, and then get the value of the solution 1 minus 1 minus 3, and 7 by 5 and 9 by 5. Solve the equation. They are quadratic equations. Example number 3x square plus y square is equal to 7, 2x square plus 3y square is equal to 18. They are a simple two quadratic equation by two variables, degree 2, and no product of the x and y are present in these equations. Last equations are product of the x and y are present in the equations. Multiply equation number 3 with in simplify, because the 3y square have coefficient 3, y square have a coefficient 3, then first equation y square is coefficient 1, the equal the coefficients, then subtracting the equation x square is equal to 3x and x is equal to plus minus 3 under root 3, x is equal to under root 3, then from equation put in the value in the equation number 1, then get the value y is equal to y is equal to 4 and y plus minus 2, x minus under root 3 and plus minus 2, then solution is the plus minus under root 3 and plus minus 2. Solve the equation number 2 x square plus equal to 20 and x 6x square plus x y minus y square is equal to 0. They are a product of the equation, then get the value put in the equation. This is the 4 method of example. It is solved by the put in y is the constant value choose, and y coefficient is the x, and constant value is the minus 6x square, and use the quadratic equation and solve the two equation y equations. Y is equal to 6x by 2 and it is equal to 3x, y is equal to 3x, and y is equal to minus 2x. Y is equal to 3x, input in the any equation 1 and 2, then you choose the values x square, 3x square is equal to 20 and x is equal to under root 2, and x square, x is equal to plus minus under root 2. Then values put in the equations, x is under root 2 and y is equal to 3 under root 2 is a 3 under root 2, and get the value minus 3 under root 2. And after the simplifications, they are our solutions. Under root 2, 3 under root 2 first pair, minus under root 2 minus 3 under root 2, 2 minus 4 and minus 2, 4 is the solution of the set. Solving the equation x square plus y square 14 and 3x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to 80. Solve the equations or other methods and solve the equation number 1. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, then get the value x square minus 2xy minus 3y square and factorize this method. Then a factorization apply, x minus 3y and x plus y is equal to 0, x minus 3y is equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 0. X is equal to 3y and x is equal to minus 1. Put in the equation number 1, then get the value 3y square y square is 10y square, then 4 and y square y is equal to, after under square root is equal to plus minus 2. Put in the value in the equation, y is equal to 2 and y minus 2, x is equal to 3y and x is equal to 3y is the second equation, x is equal to 3y, and put in the value plus minus 2, then get the value x is equal to 6 and minus 6. Y square input in the equation, y square, and get the value y is equal to plus minus under root 2 under root 5. The x is equal to minus 5, then put in the equation number 1 and get the value plus minus 2 under root 5. Let's put the value y is equal to 2 under root 5, x is equal to minus y, then get the value x is equal to minus 2 under root 5 and minus 2 under root 5. Put in this equation, then get the value 2 under root 5, and solution is the 6 2 minus 6 minus 2, 2 under root 5 minus 2 under root 5 minus 2 under root 5 and 2 under root 5 are the solution of the set. This is question number 10. X square plus y 2y square is equal to 3 is the first question, and x square plus 4xy minus 5y square is equal to 0 is the example of the example number 4. 2x square plus 2y is equal to 4 and x square plus 4xy minus 5y square. Put the value in the equation, then get the value x, get the common. Question number 2, solve this equation. Then x minus y and x plus 5y is equal to 0. Then get x minus y is equal to 0 and x plus 5y is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to x. Put in the equation number 1, then get the values after the simplification. X is equal to plus minus 1 and y is equal to plus minus 1 by 3. Put in the x is equal to plus minus 1 is equal to y is equal to x, and y is equal to plus minus 1 by 3 in equation x minus 5 by y. Then we get after the value x is equal to plus minus 5 by 3 and y is equal to plus minus 1. Then order pair 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1, the order pair 5 by 3 and 1 minus 1 by 3 and minus 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3. The solution is a minus 1 1 minus 1 1 and y by 3 1 by minus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3 and 1 by 3 are the solution set of the simultaneous equation. Class Metric Federal Board homework to exercise 2.7. Complete this also 2.7 remaining questions that get the values. Thank you.